Let's start with Honorable Angelo Lianos. Honorable Warley Dumosmo. Honorable Milagros Ruth Grunhia. Honorable Gerald Fabiliar. Honorable Abonyer Redobland. Honorable Benda Abduhay. Honorable Luzelle Grunhia. Our Barangay Secretary, Honorable Virginia Apatan. Mrs. Virginia, Barangay Treasurer Michelle. Ladies and gentlemen, the SK officials, headed by the SK Chairperson, Honorable Daisy May Layase, and Councilors. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man behind the progress of Barangay Bugho. Please welcome the young and very promising Barangay Captain, Honorable Carl Angelo Grunhia Cabasag. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a resounding applause to all of our barangay officials of Barangay Bugho, the Albal Civil.